I'm Jill with Let's Travel Family. Today we're going to give you a walkthrough of our home. It is a Class C motorhome, and we live as a family of 6 and travel the country full time. So let's take you in and you can see how we live while we travel. So here is our kitchen. One of the favorite things that I found when we bought this motorhome were the inserts to our sink, because now we have more counter space. I also love that we have our Berkey filter and it fits great on this countertop because this is what we use for all of our water supply. Couldn't go anywhere without our espresso maker. Large microwave we do use quite often because the stove or the oven doesn't work the greatest. But the stovetop we use often. What I really like too, again, is that extra counter space with the cover here. There is definitely some drawers that we put everything to good use with the storage in here. And if you want to look over here, we do have our refrigerator and freezer that run both off of gas and electric. So we're able to have that running even if we're boondocking or dry camping, because our propane will keep the fridge and freezer running really well too. We got these from IKEA. We use these to put our shoes in, which are awesome. I forget the name, but we'll have to put that in the notes. Our kitchen table, it fits, 4, and we're a family of 6, but Tony and I realize we do pretty much 99% of the day we're standing, which works out great for our lifestyle. But it does fold down into a bed if we have sleepovers, which we have on occasion. And then we also have lots of storage up here as well. So we use this for homeschool supplies, books, board games, things on that nature. And then over here is where our 2 middle girls sleep. Lilia and Gwen sleep up here with their heads that way and their feet this way. So this is supposed to be, I think they said it was like an extra large king. It really is. The mattress goes all the way. So it's really nice, and they're able to go up there. All right, so this is also like our living space. So we have a television here, and the kids can be laying up there and down on the couch and at the table, and we can all watch a movie together as a family, which is really nice. Over here we have a skylight, which we all really love for natural lighting. And then we also have cupboards here that we keep some food in as well. And then if you look over here, this is where we keep most of our pantry items that can fit in more of a narrow space. And then if you want to check out the bathroom with us, beforehand though, here we have hooks that are really helpful that hold the really heavy towels. So when we have wet towels, they can hang right there. This we use for almost everything we need. And then in here, nice and small, first aid kit, hooks, great window, great lighting in here, shower. We put a new shower head in that's awesome that you can turn on and off to conserve water. We have command hooks and a bar up there, so we're able to hang a lot of wet swimsuits and towels. And then we also really use our dehumidifier quite often when we're here in Florida or other places where there's a lot of humidity. And then if you wrap around here, you'll see our bunk slide. So Riley, our oldest, sleeps up here, and he doesn't need a ladder. He just kind of hops right up. And then Jasmine, our youngest, sleeps down here. And what came with the RV are these awesome curtains, so they really have their own privacy, which is really great. We've also put in a bin down here for Jasmine to keep all of her toys. Think of it as like a toy box. And it's great. We got it from IKEA, and we can put a fan on top of it, and that has made the space work so much better for our white noise because we have that fan going too. And then if you come back into here, we have a pocket door that gives us some privacy into the master bedroom. So this is a short queen, which is what you typically find in most Class C RVs. The slide, when it comes in, it comes all the way up against the bottom of it, so we weren't able to fit a full queen mattress. But we do have a closet, which is awesome. And then we have drawers. So we have several drawers here, and each person in the family gets one drawer to keep all the clothes that they have. Whatever doesn't fit in there that might be a different season goes underneath the bed, and we have storage underneath the bed as well. And then as you saw over here, we do have storage above the bed, the mirrored cupboards, so we keep a lot of extra blankets and towels and things like that up there. So we have a television, which we rarely use, but on occasion we'll put the kids back here with a movie so the adults can be out there. But what's great is this television flips up, ta-da! And we have a charging station. So this is where we keep all of our electronics when they're not in use, and we're able to actually charge things in here and know that they're safe and they're not overheating, because when this shuts, it's not a closed seal. Like, there's still airflow coming out. And we found that when we put them in a different cupboard, that wasn't the case. So this actually works out great. So even if they warm up a little bit, they get enough airflow, and we can have all of our things charging back. And that's just a quick walkthrough of Let's Travel Families RV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, anything else that you want to follow us on. We'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.